January 14th, here we are. And nobody's in the living room. Maybe somebody's going to come out of the bedroom right now. Let me see here. What's that? Is that Lily? Look at Lily. Lily and Mom. Lily's walking. Look at that. Wow. Hi, Lily. Are you walking? Yeah. Ta-da! Oh, walking right by me. Okay. Look at that. Let's see. Come on. I think maybe I'll go in the computer room. Here I am going into the computer room. There's the computer. Hey, I'll just sit down here. And, oh, who's coming in the room? Oh, it's Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi. Okay. Lily and the mouse. Bye. Wait a minute. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye. Hi. Bye-bye.